Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a double unboxing from Marc Jacobs. Yes, there are two items in here that I will be sharing with you, so if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'll admit the items in here are a little bit outside my comfort zone, but I really did love them, so I thought, you know what, we're just gonna go for it. And I feel like Marc Jacobs always does such an amazing job with his items. He is so affordable, yet he delivers such good quality. So I was excited to pick up a few more items from Marc Jacobs. And here, let's start with this little cutie. It comes in a cute little dust bag, which I absolutely love. So here's your first clue. So it comes with a care card, and then here is such a beautiful Wild Daisy leather card holder by Marc Jacobs. It's absolutely stunning in my opinion anyway. I just find it super beautiful. It's so fun and playful, especially for spring and summer. It's still a little bit chilly here, but I can feel that summer coming around the corner, and definitely spring is here. So this was such a cute find for me. I found it on the Nordstrom website and I just thought I had to have it. So this little cutie retails for $85. I feel like for genuine leather, it's ideal. It's definitely a reasonable price. I'm a huge fan of card holders. I just feel like no matter what size bag you have, this is just like all the things you need. You can just pull it out of a huge bag and put it in a tiny one, or vice versa, and you're all set. So I personally think this is such a cute card holder. All right, next, here we go. Okay, you guys already know what's coming now. Let me get rid of this box. All right, so here we have it, guys. What do you think? So this is the Marc Jacobs Wild Daisy print canvas, the tote bag. It is so pretty. I just feel like it's so fun for spring and summer, and just a really cute, fun, somewhat neutral bag that I just feel like will really go with so much. And it's a little bit dilapidated simply because it was not stuffed, which I personally would love if they would stuff their bags and make sure that they're presented a little better, but this one's a little bit squished. But don't worry, over time, as you use it, as you put items in your bag, it will get the most beautiful sort of structured look to the bag once you get your organizer set in there, and it really is the most beautiful bag. So on this side, you'll just see the patch that says Marc Jacobs and the style, the tote bag, and I'm in love with this Wild Daisy print. It is so pretty. So the top handles, the drop on this is 4.7 inches. So nice handle there. It's definitely nice and sturdy. It has a nice sort of feel to the bag. It's super durable and easy for cleanup. If you need to spot clean, there's never any problem with this type of material. It's really, really nice. So this bag can be worn as the top handle, or it also comes with a strap. So, all right, so it comes with a dust bag, and then here is the strap. And let me just show you what that looks like. All right, so that is actually a really, really pretty strap in my opinion. It is adjustable, and it's also obviously removable. Can easily make this a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. I really like the thickness of this because it's gonna be nice and comfortable, and it's not gonna dig into your shoulder if you put a lot of items in your bag. So really pretty. I love the silver hardware, and of course has Marc Jacobs embossed right there on the side. It's just beautiful. Love the strap. So inside the bag, you can see it's absolutely beautiful, And it does have the patch that says Marc Jacobs. And if you pull this little flap out, you're gonna see it has a nice zipper pouch right in here, which is super nice for any sort of valuables. I like to put my card holder or my phone in here. It's really, really nice to have it nice and safe and secure in there. And then it really does have the most satisfying zipper. It's super sturdy, hardy, and you can always tuck it in there to give it a little bit of a little neater look. So the bag, the dimensions of this beautiful bag are 13 inches in the width of this bag, 10 inches in the height of this bag, and then it's gonna be 5.9 inches in the depth of this bag. Like I said, you can spot clean these bags, and they're really, really durable and just beautiful. I'm a huge fan of Marc Jacobs. I feel like they bring quality as well as affordability. So this bag retails for $250. It is a good size bag, you guys. Like, it is not just tiny. Like, you can fit all the things in this one, which I absolutely love. Now I will do some mod shots showing you what it looks like, and I'm also going to attach the strap so you can see what it looks like either crossbody or as a shoulder bag. So let me do that now. Okay, so here's the lovely strap, and then here are the D-rings. I'm just going to put that on there. Super easy to attach and remove, which I love. Sometimes I really like a top handle bag, and other times, especially if I'm traveling, I'm going to want this lovely comfy strap. All right, let me show you mod shots. Here you have the adorable Wild Daisy. So this is a really nice size bag, if you ask me. I feel like it's absolutely beautiful. Now I will say, if you're not a fan of this, the tote bag, one, I feel like this bag in particular is super subtle. You're really not going to see it in your face lettering or branding. So in my opinion, I don't think this is harsh at all. I think it's absolutely well done, beautifully done, and absolutely stunning. But you could always do this side if you'd prefer. And I also feel like this is super beautiful as well. And I love the versatility of this bag. You can absolutely wear it this way or this way. I'm going to cut that off. So there you have it. And then with the strap, this is adjustable. So obviously you can adjust it to whatever is convenient, to whatever height you need to adjust it to. It's far enough away from your armpit that it's not going to be bothering you while you're walking or doing your thing. Like, it's really well thought out, I feel like. So it looks really pretty as a shoulder bag. And then of course, you can easily wear it as a crossbody bag. It is so beautiful. I really, really love this bag. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you love this? Do you not love this? Do you feel like this is something you could wear on the daily? Is it a little bit too hard to kind of go with your wardrobe? I want to hear in the comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Tell me what you think of this bag. Is it beautiful? Is it a bit wild for you? I mean, it is wild daisy print, but I think it's gorgeous. And thank you so much for being here with me today. I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe. I'd love to see you in my next video, and until next time, bye guys.